Are you an SRE or DevOps engineer looking to stay ahead in your career? This video is for you. We'll explore why mastering AI is not just an advantage, but a necessity for 2025 and beyond. The world of site reliability engineering and DevOps is evolving at an incredible pace. To remain at the forefront, integrating artificial intelligence into your skill set is no longer optional. Traditionally, SRE and DevOps have focused on automating infrastructure, streamlining deployments, and ensuring system uptime. But as systems grow more complex, human capabilities alone aren't enough. AI brings unprecedented power to analyze vast amounts of data, predict issues before they arise, and automate decision-making. This is why AI is absolutely crucial for the modern SRE and DevOps engineer in 2025. One of the most immediate benefits of AI for SRE and DevOps is a significant boost in operational efficiency. Imagine an AI capable of handling repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing up your team for more strategic initiatives. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. I can analyze historical data and current metrics to predict potential system failures, resource bottlenecks, or performance degradation, allowing for proactive intervention. Beyond efficiency, AI directly contributes to enhancing the reliability and performance of your systems. AI-powered anomaly detection can spot unusual patterns in logs and metrics in real time, often identifying issues before they impact users. It also accelerates root cause analysis, reducing downtime. By analyzing past incidents and system behavior, AI can help identify vulnerabilities and suggest preventative measures, turning reactive responses into proactive strategies. AI isn't just for operations. It's also revolutionizing how we approach development and deployment. AI can optimize CI/CD pipelines by intelligently allocating resources, predicting build failures, and even suggesting code improvements before deployment. From generating test cases to identifying critical paths for testing, AI can significantly improve the speed and effectiveness of your testing processes. For individual SRE and DevOps engineers, integrating AI skills isn't just about job performance. It's about future-proofing your career. As AI becomes more integral to IT operations, engineers with AI skills will be highly sought after, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Learning AI allows you to lead the charge in adopting innovative solutions, positioning you as a key driver of transformation within your organization. In summary, the integration of AI into SRE and DevOps is not a trend, it's the future. The imperative for SRE and DevOps engineers to learn AI skills is clear. It's essential for achieving operational efficiency, enhancing reliability, streamlining workflows, and future-proofing your career. Don't get left behind. Start your AI learning journey today and become an indispensable asset in the evolving world of SRE and DevOps.